It's my first trip down into Patong Beach. This trip. Just rode my bike into town, the usual white knuckle ride. And I'm just going to plonk this out on Facebook because people say, well, what's the difference between living on Phuket and living in Tombstone, Arizona? Well, fellas, you're looking at it, the ocean, and I miss it more than anything. I love the ocean. I don't like the desert. And considering this is high season, there's not many people around, mainly because so many Chinese people have either been injured or died here on their holidays, including about 40 that sunk in one boat, that most Chinese have boycotted the place, and that has become their biggest group of holiday makers. So considering this is high season, there's not so many people around. Not that the Chinese made a point of sitting on the beach. They're not beach people. You see quite a few Japanese people on the beach, but not Chinese. They're more interested in shopping and eating, and they leave all the bars to the hardcore Brits, Australians, and that's mainly it really. They're the hardcore drinkers around here, English and Australians. So that's the main difference. I'll post some more. See if I can put this up tonight. Quick one. Well, I've covered this in lots of videos on past trips, but that is a longtail, and the propeller is stowed inboard at the moment. All that big long boom there hangs out the back. It's like an outboard motor, not quite outboard, see what I mean. They're actually quite fast, and the ocean is lapping my feet, buddy. Lapping my feet. Onward. And here are 2 or 3 more. Bit of an international collection here. I can see, well, the Thai flag is on top. I can see Swedish, I can see Norwegian. I don't know what that one on the middle flag on the back is. Don't see any English, don't see any American. We can't be in favour right now. Must have smashed up too many bars, I guess. Who knows? But anyway, nice to see some flags flying. And I noticed there are no cruise ships out there. You usually see, I guess it depends on the time of year, but this is peak season now. The seas are at their calmest, so you'd expect to see 1 or 2 cruise ships laying off, and then they send their passengers ashore on shuttle boats, you know. Not this time. I'm in this great little open air bar that I've found. I mean, look at the weather. This is supposed to be high season, but it's raining every day so far, and it looks as though it could unload. It's really, really rainy. But anyway, to get back to this great little open air bar that I found, it's dirt cheap too. And if we look down here, you'll see that I'm sitting on this tree. Excuse my hands. Here is a table where I have my beer. This cost 60 baht, which, believe me, is cheap. That's about $2. And I have a seat, I have a table, I have good company, well, me, and I can keep an eye on my bike, which is just parked over there. So great little bar, perfect.